Hi, this is Adi from VRAcademi, and today I'm going to show you how you can add or delete sprites in your projects. So, each project starts with this cat sprite in the middle of your screen. If you want to add another sprite, you have to hover over the Choose a Sprite icon. Here you have four options. First option, which is the magnifying glass, gives you the chance to use a sprite from the Sprites library of scratch. The second option, with a paintbrush, gives you the opportunity to paint your own sprite. With this option, Scratch selects a random sprite to add to your project, and with this option, Upload Sprite, you can upload an image from your computer and use it to make a sprite in Scratch. Today we're going to use these options, and in our next videos I'm going to show you how you can paint sprites or upload them from your computer. If you click Choose Sprite, it will take you to this screen where you can choose out of a library with many sprites, or you can search for particular sprites, or you can select from these different groups of sprites. Okay, so I will use this sprite. So this sprite comes inside my screen. If I want to delete my cat sprite, I will, in order just to keep the center, I will click on this cat sprite, and I am going to use this cabbage bean on the top in order to delete it. So now I have just one sprite in my screen, and I can go on to add more with the same way. So I will choose this sprite, and I will add it in my project as well. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.